The AR escape room application is a unique game that combines the mechanics of traditional physical escape rooms with the new artificial reality technology provided by Apple. As you can see here, we're in the main menu of the game. Players can change settings, make purchases at the store, and check the leaderboard. So first, we're going to go ahead and jump into settings. Here, the user can toggle sound off and on, change the language, and jump to our terms of service, which will take the user to our website. Let's go ahead and head back to the main menu and click on Store. Here, users can purchase gold keys and remove ads. Gold keys can be used to buy additional escape rooms and hints to puzzles if a player gets stuck. Here, the user can also see their silver keys, which are obtained by completing rooms within the time limit. Silver keys can also be used to purchase hints as well. And we're going to head back to the main menu once more, and we're going to go ahead and select Play. Alright, once we've selected Play, we see our demo room. Here, they'll have multiple puzzles to select through. Now we just have a demo room. We're going to hit the demo room, and we have this difficulty, easy, normal, and hard. If you increase the difficulty, the amount of artificial reality objects that will be displayed at one time will increase, and it will be up to the user to be able to figure out how each objects relate to each other and how each puzzle is solved. So we're going to go ahead and select Easy and jump into the game. Now, once we've selected Easy, the game is prompting us to select the number of walls in our room. I'm currently in a room with 4 walls, so I'm going to go ahead and select 4. And it's telling us to look down at the floor and press Ready. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Select Ready, and it is mapping the floor. What's happening is points are being launched basically from the phone to the floor and bounced back, and that data is being used to help place the artificial objects once the game has started. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the wall again, press Ready, and we're mapping the room. And we're going to go ahead and go to our second wall. As you can see, I am using particular points in the room that have a bit more complex geometry, such as that window corner, so the camera can better determine whether or not this is a wall. I'm going to go ahead and head over to our third wall. Again, we're going to try to use this board here and the wall to be able to figure out where it is and then store that data so the artificial objects can be placed more conveniently and realistically. As you can see, it's having a difficult time figuring out where the wall is, so it's telling us to move the phone around with this little graphic. I'm going to go ahead and move the phone around, keep moving it. It's again trying to get those values bouncing from the phone to the wall and back and gathering it. I'm going to get a little bit closer, again using the corner and this board. It looks like we got it. We're going to go ahead and go to our fourth and final wall. Once this wall is mapped, the game will start. So we're going to go ahead and look at this poster. Again, we're using this as an object so it can tell that this is a wall. Again, hitting Ready, it's mapping, and we're almost complete, and the game has started. So now I'm going to go ahead and look around the room, try to figure out some of the artificial objects, and solve the puzzle so I can escape. So I'm looking around, and I see there that there is an apple. I'm going to go ahead and go down, tap the screen, select that apple. It has now appeared in my toolbar. I've now selected the apple, and I can place it wherever I want, trying to figure out how to solve the puzzle. I wonder if I just have to place it again, place it somewhere specific. But I do see there was a spider over there. I'm going to go ahead and pick up that apple once more and place it near the spider. So again, I've selected it in my toolbar, placing it in front of the spider, which is right on the floor here. And I don't see anything just yet. I'm going to go ahead and look around, see if anything's reacted, to see if I've solved this puzzle. And look, there's a caterpillar. And it's going up to the apple, eating apple, clearly enjoying it. And look, we got a prompt, yum, good apple, so the caterpillar is clearly happy. Oh, but no, the spider's now hungry. And there goes the caterpillar. So this was an example of an easy puzzle, of course. I have now escaped. It's giving me a congratulations and my time. I'm going to go ahead and select Main Menu and select the leaderboard. Here I'll be able to see my scores of my friends and myself. As you can see, my best score is 36 seconds, and that previous one was 56, so it will go ahead and keep my top score, and I'll be able to compare with my friends, Aaron, Juliet, and myself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the AR escape room application. We hope to have you playing in the near future once we do publish to the App Store.